Whoa. Hey guys, welcome back to MX5 Rusteration. In this video we're going to continue working on the Suzuki LG80. Now in our previous video we actually sprayed that interior, looks brand new. But in this video we're going to get this bonnet off, get that engine out and see what condition that engine bay's in. So let's grab some tools and let's crack on. Oh no, snappage. Right, so that's just about everything off the engine that I can see so far. We only snapped 17 bolts. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the engine out. We're going to leave the box in there for now. So we'll just take this engine out. We have actually got a snapped engine mount on that side as well. So we'll have to either refab that or buy a new one. So I'm going to hook the engine hoist onto here. And then we can lift this engine out and hopefully it goes well. Big day for the LJT. She's out. So, the engine's out now. Only took about 3 hours, which is relatively good. Looking at the chassis now, the chassis actually looks in good condition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a lot of this wiring off and put it to the side. I'm going to tidy this engine bay up as well, so I'm going to get rid of this bottle, I'm going to get rid of anything else that I can, and then it'll be ready for cleaning the engine bay up and seeing exactly what condition it's in. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. As you can see, the engine and gearbox are out. Make sure you catch us in our next LG80 video where we take this front axle out and we start cleaning up this chassis. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. Leave your comments and thoughts down below. And with that being said, we will catch you in the next one. Ration.